In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average convergence divergence indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open for any asset you want to analyze. You can use stocks, crypto, forex, or anything else available on TradingView. Once your chart is open, we're going to start by accessing the indicators menu. Look toward the top of your chart for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the top toolbar, close to where you change your time frames and chart type. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, custom scripts, and technical indicators. After you click on Indicators, a panel will pop up. Inside this panel, you'll see several sections. Find the section labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups the most commonly used technical analysis tools. Click on Technicals to narrow down the list and make it easier to find what we're looking for. Next, focus on the search bar inside the indicators window. This search bar lets you quickly jump to any indicator without scrolling through a long list. Click into the search field so you can start typing. Now type in Moving Average Convergence Divergence. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results. You'll usually see it appear as MACD as well, which is the standard abbreviation. Once you see Moving Average Convergence Divergence in the results list, click on it. As soon as you click, the MACD indicator will automatically be added to your chart, typically in a separate panel below the price. You should now see a histogram, along with 1 or 2 lines under your main chart. That's your MACD. By default, TradingView uses common settings that work for most traders, so you can start using it right away. If you want to customize it later, you can hover over the indicator name on the left side of the panel, click the settings icon, and adjust the parameters like fast length, slow length, and signal smoothing to match your personal trading strategy. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you'd like access to more advanced features, more indicators per chart, and better tools overall, check out the link in my video description to sign up. Using that link helps support the channel and lets me keep making tutorials like this for you. And that's it. You've successfully added the Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start analyzing momentum and potential trend changes more effectively.